Hello everybody. If you're running to PC Windows 10 problem like this you see here in the screen, you can't log in, you can't open your window, you can't start. I'm going to give you a solution. So before giving you a solution, please subscribe to the channel and then like. Okay, let's go. Okay, there is a few steps which is very easy to do, very easy to solve by yourself without calling anyone, without calling the computer engineer like me. You can solve by yourself. So few steps, few procedure I'm going to tell you. Okay, first steps, go to the switch on your PC. After switching on, you'll see the screen like that one. Then go direct to the F10, of course. Press F10. After pressing F10, you'll see that option. So go direct to the system configuration, as you see. Then after system configuration, I'm trying to be slow. I want everybody to understand, even though he or she doesn't have a knowledge of computer, but I want to have or he be able to understand. So I'm sorry for those who are very fast. Okay, let's go. Then go to the boot options. You see boot options. Okay, after boot option, enter. You see that the option, there is a main option in the boot option. So to solve the problem, go direct to the legacy support. See at the legacy support, you see there is a legacy support disable. So what to do is just enable legacy support. That is the first solution. Enable. Okay, then say yes, accept the changing. After doing that, follow me up to the end. After doing that, there is a very important things is go to the option down there. There is a option that say save and exit. That is F10. So press F10. It will ask you to save. Okay, say yes, click enter. After saying yes and clicking enter, your PC will restart. Okay, then enter the code. There is a code there written. It's very direct forward. Just enter this number 2866, then enter. Wait until the end. I'm going to give you a solution. Of course, my PC ran from this battery problem, so it might not appear to your PC, this prompt. So if it's appear, press enter. And now we go. What is? Whoa! We have solved the problem. Yeah. My PC is going to restart. The problem now is gone. So I'm asking kindly to comment below and say any problem that you have, or record a video to give a solution. And if this solution worked to you, please comment, or